Hi everybody, what's today? Today is Thursday, May 13th. It is a cool, dark, and gloomy day. It's like, I don't know, 4:15 in the afternoon in beautiful sunny Florida. Looks like New England. Feels kind of cool, which is kind of nice because it's been humid and hot. You see that dude over there? The one in the middle, right there. He's Mr. Lightning. Mr. Lightning's been in a mood today to fight. He attacked Grammy. He's been over here yelling at me. I gave him some scratch to shut him up. He still wanted to fight. Look at him. He wants to fight now. Look at him standing there. He was beating up on one of the girls earlier. He's just in a bad mood. I think he's mad because he ain't got no babies. I think he's mad because that dude right there produced all these chickens you got. They're out here, their own house, their own coops. All them boys and girls in there, all these boys and girls out here. And he's mad because that little fluffernutter ain't produced nothing. He's the big bad rooster on the block. When it turns out he's just a bully. He's mean. Zachary can't tame him. He wasn't listening to Sherelle this morning. Grammy normally gets him to calm down, and she even said today, nope, something's got to be done. Because he ain't listening. He's being a bully. Lightning's a bully. All right, let's see these guys. So they like their lettuce. I gave them the lettuce and they tore it up and they run. See that? That guy grabbed a piece and ran and said, I'm getting away from y'all. These migrants and those babies that are in there that are starting to turn into migrants, they've learned how to jump the wall. Pretty funny when I came out here to give them their worms. They were jumping up, so normally they jump up on the bottom right there, right? They've been doing that a lot lately. Okay, fine. I open up the door, they jump down on this side, then they jump back across because I throw their worms in there. Well, a couple of them were flying up and side kicking right up here in the fence, flying up in there and getting that high up. Them little babies getting that high up. That's 2.5 feet in the air, almost 3 feet. Crazy. And what they do, they know I'm coming. They know I'm bringing food. There's a cardinal. Cardinals love it over here. Oh boy, I get to sit on a wet seat today, and I didn't bring out the tripod, so we all got to deal with it. Sorry. I know the tripod's a much better picture, but I didn't feel like breaking it out today. A lot of stuff going on. Anywho, let's watch some chickens. Wanna watch Moonlight? What's he doing? He's over here. He don't wander too far. And of course, he's showing us his butt now. All right, let's look at his little ones. So that one is very much like Moonlight. Not quite. It's that one right there. It's getting coloring and size and everything, just like Moonlight, except obviously he's black instead of the white, but he's got the orange streaks in his neck, kind of like Moonlight's got that buff color in his neck. Buff color, orange, rust, whatever you want to call it, kind of like what those guys have, except streaks of it. She's a bully. She's still going after him. Let's watch. Well, they're running because I got a pair of cardinals playing here in the tree. Well, one of them just flew over that way, but the other one's right up there. There he is. Yeah, almost time to cut this tree back and put the metal roof on. Wire cage. Anyway, let's watch some. What are we out here for? We're out here to watch some chickens. So let's see here if I can zoom in on this one, because this is the one. Can you see him? Can you see the orange streaks in his neck? You see how he's got them orange feathers? That one's starting to get them orange feathers. And his fro's getting real big. His fro's getting just like Moonlight's as far as starting to get real big and puffy and fall over the eyes. You can still see this one's eyes. They haven't fallen over to the side yet like Moonlight's has, but they're getting there. They is getting there. Miss Erin. White fluffy butt. Red on the top. Turquoise teal blue ears. I think she's a keeper. So, only baby out, mommy, daddy. The rest all went inside. I think they realized there's the lettuce inside. They love that lettuce. Because we haven't been much out today because it's been a rainy day. It's wet out here. Mr. Lightning finally calmed down over there. He's all off taking a little bath with all the girls in the dirt. The wet dirt. All right. Well, time to skedaddle. Bye, y'all. Night.